Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable streamer mode to make your Discord a little bit more private once you are streaming anywhere basically. So just go to user settings here, then you are going to select streamer mode and you're going to select enable streamer mode. You can also automatically enable it once OBS or XSplit are running on this computer. You can hide personal information, hide invite links, disable sounds, and also notifications. So as you can see, my hashtag won't be shown, and as well as your other people's hashtags. So everything will be disabled. I will be changing the hashtag on this account because a lot of people have added me on, well, because they see my videos, and they spam chat sometimes. If it was important, I would answer them, but mostly it's like spam and stuff. So that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!